Hello and welcome back to the channel. So I finished another project, which is a continuation from a previous video. I just want to share with you guys this build. It's pretty unique, I think. I've never seen anybody feature this chassis. So unfortunately, it's no longer available. I think I mentioned that. The new one that the manufacturer makes is actually better in my opinion because the lower battery tray now sticks through the chassis sideways instead of lengthways. Um, but yeah, I mean, so you could keep the battery on the lower end of the chassis, make it more stable, lower center of gravity, basically. So, all right, so this is the final, I want to say, configuration. The the wheelbase is a little bit stretched. I didn't get a chance to measure it, so maybe I'll post the measurement in this portion right here. The things that I want to add: the roll bar still, the front bumper. There's no mount for it right now. I need to design a mount for it, and then I want to paint the blower matte black, just like the rear bumper. And then the grill, actually, it's kind of shiny right now. It's kind of glossy. I had some leftover paint from my Juggernaut, so I used that. But I think I'll go over it again. Use a matte color. This is actually 3D printed using a resin 3D printer. I got it off of eBay. If you search for it, if you want one, I'm pretty sure you can look it up. The turning signal actually has a bucket in there for if I would want to put a light bulb in it. So I don't, but this is a basher. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, nothing's set in stone. So maybe not in the future. I could put a lights for this truck. Like I mentioned, she is powered by a couple of 4300 kV motors. ESC are 60 amps, and the servos are 70 kilograms. Uh, I'm using my servo saver design that I originally did for the vintage one, which for the vintage I reverted back to the like stock style, original style bell crank, but I'm using the aluminum aftermarket bell crank. So I'm using basically shocks, front and back, but there's opposing spring on the inside. The This chassis is um, designed for the original axle tubes, um, but since I'm using aftermarket axle tubes, I don't know if you guys can see that, I had to put a nut in there as a spacer, um, but because the nut won't go on flush. Normally the flange part is would have been on the inside. I had to flip it and put the non-flange side in. Screw the non-flange side in first because of the fillet of the axle tube going towards the gearbox, or basically the base of it. The flange part wouldn't fit. Um, yeah, pretty unique. I like it. Handles really well, but I'll let you guys decide.